Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to a brief announcement here on Forgotten Weapons. I'm Ian McCollum, and this is a bit bittersweet for me. We have one thing that is ending and a new thing that is beginning for Forgotten Weapons. So the thing that is ending is the History of Weapons and War streaming app. And if you were a subscriber on the app, you hopefully saw this a couple weeks ago. The app ran for about 2.5 years. It was intended to help support the other small historical educational channels in the firearms YouTube space, as well as create a backup platform for Forgotten Weapons and for the other channels in the space in case YouTube decided to do something catastrophic. Unfortunately, while it did a very good job of providing income to the other channels that were on there, it was never able to actually break even. And after 2.5 years of subsidizing it, I was unable to keep doing that any longer. So unfortunately, it simply never grew large enough to become self-sustaining and meet its ultimate intended goal. So it is essentially dead right now. All the content remains on it. It will remain running for a little while longer as everything winds down on it, but there is no new content being uploaded to History of Weapons and War, and you may have noticed that for the past couple of weeks, videos have not included any sort of promo ad title thing at the end or anywhere else for History of Weapons and War. While I am sad to see History of Weapons and War go, I am simultaneously excited to announce that Forgotten Weapons is joining Pepperbox TV. In fact, Forgotten Weapons is live and running over at Pepperbox as of this very moment. If you're not familiar with it, Pepperbox is a similar online streaming video app, similar to what History of Weapons and War was, provides video content through mobile app, through smart TV, through desktop, pretty much all the standard places. They are a much larger platform than History of Weapons and War was. They have 20 or 25 creators. It is also firearms and military centric, although when it was formed, it focused on the more popular entertainment centric channels where Weapons and War focused on typically smaller historical educational channels. So I am moving over to Pepperbox. Henry and Josh at 9-Hole Reviews are already live over on Pepperbox. Hopefully, by bringing our content over to that platform, we can create one larger, much more resilient, much more long-term sustainable alternative video platform for firearms content. They've done a darn good job of it without us. Hopefully we can help build that system that they've got. And if the more educational content proves popular with their audience, we hope to bring over some of the other channels that we had with us on History of Weapons and War. So Pepperbox, like Weapons and War, is subscription-based. It is $8 a month. When you sign up, you do get a 14-day free trial, so you can test it out for 2 weeks. If you don't like it, cancel your account. No harm, no foul, no charge. Go on your merry way. But if you do like it, there is a tremendous amount of content over there, something like 40 different shows from 20 or 25 different creators right now, including a bunch of big names that you will definitely recognize. To answer a couple of quick questions that I'm sure will come up, I will continue to publish on YouTube as I always have for the last 15 years now. There will be there's a minimum of 1 video a month that I'm required to do exclusive to Pepperbox, part of the conditions of being a member over on that platform. So I don't know exactly what that is going to be yet, but the chances are it will be machine gun shooting centric content. The sort of thing that I essentially can't publish on YouTube anymore because YouTube will immediately age restrict it and or remove and channel strike it. So that's probably what I will post over there for exclusive content, but there may be, I don't know, something more or less as well. But I'm not quitting YouTube, continuing to publish here. This is my primary audience. Obviously, it's the biggest audience that I have, and I don't plan to leave it unless they do something to kick me out, which hopefully they won't. Anyway, but Pepperbox is, of course, a backup platform in case something like that happens, as well as all the other benefits to having it, like the ad-free experience. So if you enjoyed Weapons and War, if you're a subscriber there, you will have already gotten via email a special offer for an extended free bonus subscription as a thank you for being a Weapons and War subscriber. If you didn't see that, please check your email, perhaps check your spam box and find it in there because they would love to welcome you over to Pepperbox. And if you were not a History of Weapons and War subscriber, well, perhaps you will find more options available on Pepperbox that you'll be interested in. So hopefully I will see you guys over there. Thanks for watching.